Hello and welcome to Wendy J. Haney. I'm Wendy J. Haney and I'm exhausted. Yes, the last time I updated you, I showed you my quilt factory and then at the end indicated, oh yeah, and I have to pack this all up to get ready to move. Well, it is now October 24th. We are 4 weeks away from the moving company showing up to load everything. Wow. To be honest, I am 100% exhausted. I think I tweaked my neck over the weekend. Yeah, my chiropractor's really going to love me come Wednesday. I'm going to love him. He's going to make it feel better. Oh, Saturday I thought, we got this. And then by Sunday, the end of the day, I'm like, oh my gosh, are we going to do this? Are we going to get this done? Here's the tricky part. I'll show you a video here as I wrap up the beginning here that shows you where we're at. And it's a complete disaster. But with that said, a lot of stuff has been purged. Not so much from the quilt factory, but from our storage rooms. I swear I threw out 75% of what was in the storeroom. Seriously, I think one needs to get a dumpster about every 5 years and just go through your closets and garages and get rid of stuff. Because when you wait 20 years, it's bad. It's really bad. Oh, anyway. So you think, well, you got 4 weeks. I mean, good. That's quite a few weekends. Well, here's the little situation. Thursday, I leave for quilt retreat. Yep, I am not missing quilt retreat. And honestly, to be honest, I need the downtime. I really, really do. I need time with my quilting sisters. I need to be there with them. So that's Thursday through Sunday. So basically, I'm going to lose a weekend. Okay, fine. Then you got the next week. Great. Oh, yeah. Prior to this wonderful idea of moving, we had a vacation planned to Mexico. It was supposed to happen last year, but things went to hell in a handbasket last year with people that were going with us and mother-in-laws and everything else, so it didn't happen. And there was no way I'm canceling this year again. No. In all honesty, it's another trip I really, really am going to need. So guess what? That screws up 2 more weekends. Oh my gosh. I'm down to the weekend before the move. We'll make it. Push comes to shove, if Kevin and I do most of the purging, that means the movers could show up on the 18th, and just throw things into boxes. You know what? It wouldn't be the way I would like to do it, but at least I've gotten rid of junk and we're not throwing things into boxes that we don't need to take. So I have to be positive about that. And I'm looking forward to reorganizing and get everything settled in the new place and being situated such that we can then unpack at a reasonable time and not feel crunched. With this push of getting things packed, we're on such a serious deadline. So with that said, last week you got a good video. Well, don't expect any more good tutorial videos anytime soon. I finally realized this is the last video I'm going to do in this setup. So take note. This is the last time you're going to see this background, because the next time it's going to be in the new place, because the cameras and the videos and the tables are going to get taken down. And I've realized there's not going to be any time for sewing, so the sewing machines are getting boxed other than what I'm taking to quilt retreat. So with that said, I will walk you through the disaster it looks like. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back. I really will. We'll throw some new ones up here, and hopefully the next one is maybe the end of November, and I can show you what the new space looks like before I clutter it up with all the boxes. Take care. So here we go, October 24th. I think the basement looks like a bigger disaster area than before. Yeah, everything's pretty much piled. But what you can't see is how empty the drawers are. Oh, and there's my Charlie. So most of these cabinets are all empty. The storeroom, which I don't think I showed you before, so we're not going to go in there. It's pretty scary, but I think I dumped 75% of what was in there. So let's go over to the guest bedroom. Guest bedroom is pretty much our stack the boxes area. We got the bed taken down, and that's where we're stacking all the boxes to get them out of the way. And yep, a few more things to pack here. Closet is pretty much emptied, so that is a good thing. All of that. Oh, but this table, oh my gosh, I think it's just become a dumping ground. But yeah, is what it is. The long arm has been taken down. Oh my, that opens up the space tremendously, which means now we have a space to pile boxes as we stage things. Yeah, it's overwhelming a bit to take a look at it. So this is where we're at 4 weeks before the movers arrive. Thank you so much for watching. I very much appreciate it. If you want to make sure you don't miss a single video I published, hit the subscribe button below and then hit the bell icon. And that way you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. But you can also find me over on Facebook, facebook.com/Wendy, the initial J, Haney. Or I have a Facebook group for those of you that love quilting, needlework, books, wine, and wellness. You can find that at facebook.com/groups/lifefulfilled. The name of the group is Life Fulfilled - Quilting, Needlework, Books, Wine, and Wellness. You can also find me over on my website, wendyjhaney.com. I will be doing more blogging over there eventually. As I get more of my videos done, I'll be blogging about those. But also, maybe you see some things that I'm making here and you're going, ooh, wow, I just don't want to make that myself. Well, a lot of those products will end up over there on the website that you can purchase for your friends and family. Once again, thank you so much for your support, and I appreciate you watching.